Ah guys, the sweet boat ramp, where so many beautiful boating dreams begin, and well, let's be honest, a lot of boating nightmares will start here as well. Welcome back guys, it's your boy Broncos Guru here again, and today we're going to talk about the 7 types of people you'll meet down at the boat ramp. Hope you guys enjoy this one, let's get right into it. And the first person on our list guys, well that's going to be the Lookie Loo. These people can come in many different forms. They typically appear to have some interest in boating when you first see them, but as the ramp starts to clear out, you quickly realize that they're not there waiting on their friends. They're there for the spectacle that is the boat ramp. That's right, they're there to grab a couple laughs at your expense. Don't worry, they're probably going to start dropping a couple knowledge bombs on you. That's right, Lookie Loo, who doesn't even own a boat, well, they're going to come out saying things like, hey, be careful with that, you're about to jackknife the trailer. Or you know what, you might want to raise the air suspension up because you're about to low side the trailer. Or my favorite one, you've got the trailer too deep. What are you doing? You're never going to get that boat on. Yeah, Lookie Loo's uniquely qualified to kind of offer you some of this advice, as they've been sitting down there at the boat ramp for years watching people do this the wrong way. But you know what, the one thing that always does confuse me is how Lookie Loo always comes out unscathed. That's right. For some reason I can never figure out how this guy's not chased down by some boater with a boat hook or an oar and beaten within a half inch of his life. I don't know, maybe Lookie Loo's the fastest person at the boat ramp as well. And number 2 on our list, guys, well, that's going to be the well-intentioned friend. You can usually spot this unlucky soul in the parking lot getting coached up by the boat owner prior to the launch. He or she is about to be tasked with launching a boat for the very first time in front of a ramp full of people, what usually happens to be on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon, or even a nice busy holiday weekend. No matter how well the boat owner coaches up this unlucky friend, it's likely this person is going to buckle under the pressure, whether it be due to the difficulty of understanding the trailer dynamics and the reactions of the trailer when reversing, or maybe it's the heckling of the Lookie Loo sitting on the dock that'll get to them. So typically what winds up happening is the boat owner will get out of the boat, go back up there and pull the trailer down themselves. It's not really the friend's fault, and the boat owner quickly learns this as well, as they'll only do this once or twice in their boating career. After this, they'll always do this on their own, and they'll never really try and task another friend again who has no experience in doing this to do this situation. And number 3 on our list, guys, well, that's going to be the rookie. The rookie can sometimes be difficult to identify, as he may pull up to the ramp looking like he has it all together. That's right, he may even back down the ramp looking like a pro. He's been backing up his travel trailers for years, and this boat is nothing. This is the point where the rookie usually does start to shine, though, as he's gotten the trailer in the water, but has a perplexed look on his face as he can't seem to figure out why this boat will not come off the trailer. It's usually at this point the Lookie Loo over at the ramp, he'll look back at this guy and say, hey, moron, you forgot to take the straps off. That's right, he's made another one of those rookie mistakes. Don't worry, he's going to try and get this one fixed today because he is determined to become the MVP of the day here. On the second attempt, he gets it right. That's right, he gets the boat in the water, only to look over and Lookie Loo is laughing his tail off. That's right. Hey, Dip, you forgot to put the drain plugs in. All of a sudden, Rookie's in the water and swimming. That's right, he's down there trying to get those plugs in as fast as he can. Not only that, he forgot to take the phone and wallet out of his pocket when he jumped in there at the bottom of the lake now as well. But don't worry, this is just a start. He's still got to get this boat back on the ramp at the end of the day. And number 4 on our list, well, that's going to be the ramp owner. Sure, the sign says it's a public boat ramp, but it's apparent this individual has ownership of the property and just lets the city claim it to be a public ramp. That can be this person's only excuse, as he takes up all 3 lanes to launch his 19-foot boat. Then he'll leave his empty truck and trailer sitting on the boat ramp for the next 30 minutes, while he blocks all 3 lanes just so he can unload everything and put it on the dock to get it into his boat. But he's not done establishing his ownership there. That's right, he's going to go ahead and take up 3 parking spots with his truck and trailer. He's going to have his friends and family go ahead and park in the trailer parking with their individual cars. And he's going to go spend another 45 minutes down at the dock messing with his radio settings. This guy does usually show back up to the dock to a nice little present. That's right, somebody's disconnected his trailer to free up those 2 parking spots and moved it somewhere else at the location. Good luck finding it, my man. And speaking of presents, we love to give away presents here at the Broncos Guru channel as well. That's right, if you didn't know, every week we give away a $25 gift card to our favorite comment. That's correct. The only requirement, you gotta be subscribed. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button below and go ahead and light up the comment section. This week we got 2 winners because last week our winner did not claim the prize. So this week we're going to start off with Daniel Clenard. A boat never broke his heart. Well, I'll tell you what, Daniel, we're not going to break your heart. You're getting a $25 gift card today as well. We also have Richard Jimenez. He's done a little bit of all 3, kind of like me. Feels the same way I do. Can stay out on his boat all day. Hope you guys enjoy those gift cards. And number 5 on our list, well, that's going to be the family boater. Usually they can be identified pretty easily by the blatant overpacking of inflatables, bags of snacks, and juice boxes, the group of screaming kids running down the dock behind them, and of course the significant other giving them the stink eye, trying to figure out how in the world they got talked into to try and back this trailer down the ramp again. After the final prep, the significant other takes about 8 attempts to go ahead and get that trailer back down the ramp, with a whole lot of choice words being thrown at their partner, and also the last one's being saying, I am never doing this again. While all this is going on, Johnny goes and pushes Tammy off the dock as well. Now we got a fight amongst the kids also. All this time, the primary boating partner, all they're really thinking about is how do I become the next boater on this list. And number 6 on our list today, well, that's going to be launch solo. These boating Jedi have somehow found a way to defy all the boating laws of nature. These glorious bastards have figured out a way to launch their boats unaccompanied, and half the time a normal boater can do it with 2 people. You will see this boater back down the ramp, quickly jump out of their truck, and dive onto their boat before anybody else can do anything. That's right, they don't need any assistance whatsoever in doing this. The whole time, they will not even get wet. You will look at your boating partner in amazement. Can you believe this? Can you believe what we just saw? Then all of a sudden out the corner of your eye, you're also going to see Launch Solo's truck leaving. That's right. How the hell did he get back to the truck so fast? Is there anybody driving that truck? Is he using Jedi mind tricks to park it? And last but not least on our list today, we've got the Fisherman. That's right. Well, you will go down to the boat ramp and you'll see plenty of these fishermen launching their shiny sparkle rockets about to head out to the bass grounds at about 70 miles an hour. Well, this isn't the type of rodman we're referring to today. Ours usually has a nickname in the boating world that stands for a different kind of rod. But this Richard will go ahead down there, take 3 coolers, 4 chairs, 5 poles, 6 tackle boxes, all down the one functioning dock at the ramp. Then they're going to go ahead and throw all 5 lines right out on the side where the wind and current are pushing into it. When you approach with your boat and ask them, hey man, can I dock there real quick, grab my trailer? They're going to look at you with a look of loathing like, no way dude. I was here first, you're going to need to go ahead and go over to the other side. For a split second you think about docking there anyway, going ahead and cutting his lines, but you know what, rationality comes over, you decide to be the bigger man and move to the other side. You're going to fight the wind and current. You might even ask Richard, hey man, can I toss you a line, you help me up? But Richard's going to ignore you as if you don't exist while he cracks another Milwaukee's Best out of one of his 3 coolers. This is the kind of person, kind of like our first guy, Lookie Loo. I never understand how he gets down to the boat ramp and leaves unscathed every single time. Once again everyone, thanks for hanging out to the end. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs up anyway. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thanks guys.